howdy Danny here. Well, I got an idea. Let's go to the mountains and get a little bit of break from the ocean for a while, okay? I'll meet you over at the easel and we'll start the trip. And here we go. Let's do a mountain scene this time, okay? I think we can have some fun with that. I'm just putting plain water down here. And I've got the mountain outlined so you can see it, so that I can kind of see it. And we're just using some cerulean blue. We want this to be really a pretty light sky, okay? So we're just going to wisp in some cerulean blue. And we're going to paint the mountain by painting it with the trees, and the mountain will come to view just like magic. Okay, there we go. We're just putting the cerulean in just like that. And we are just allowing it to do what the heck it would like to do. Okay, we get little bubbles and dots and deets and things. And that's perfectly okay because that adds up to cloud action. Just like that. Okay? Just like that. We'll just lick up some of the excess water. Just like that. And there we go. Our sky's sitting in there. We're going to have trees over here. We're going to have the mountain over here. We're going to have some grass and ground and such as that right over there. So, be with me tomorrow, and we'll start working on the tree, okay? We'll see you tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow. Hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. Leave us a comment. For goodness sakes, we need the comments. And I want you to remember, as always, that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. All righty then. That was pretty cool. We're going to have fun with this painting, I can tell. So be with me tomorrow. And remember in the meantime that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.